Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the SolanaVM token. Ticker symbol is SVM. Now this token is live for pre-sale until December 30th. Now their pre-sale started May 24th, and pre-sale is going to end in 10 days. Now this is obviously on the Solana blockchain. You can find this token listed in the pre-sale section on coinsniper.net. They do have a full audit. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, excuse me. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here as usual, so you guys can easily find this project. It is at SolanaVM. Real easy to find that on Twitter. They also have a Telegram you could follow. Their Telegram is also, the Telegram is at Solana_VM. And they have 11,363 Telegram members. 513 of them are online. That's going to be a great place to join the discussion with other community members. Ask questions about the project. Learn more, that type of thing there. And their Twitter, 153 posts, 21,100 Twitter followers. It says, enabling seamless development and deployment of EVM-compatible dApps on Solana SVM L2. Join the future of multi-chain Solana VM DeFi. Solana Virtual Machine. So check out the Twitter there. And then the webpage, solanavm.xyz. That's where you can get involved with the pre-sale. Now on the webpage here, it says that, it says buy now, and you can connect your wallet. So first of all, you could use a Trust wallet, or you could use a MetaMask wallet. And you connect your wallet, and you can fund your wallet, it says, with ETH. And then you can click different options here. Well, there's tons of options you could use. So you could use Sol, ETH, BSC, looks like PLG, Optimism, TRX, Arbitrum. I mean, there's so much stuff on here. There's too much to even go over. Dogecoin, Shiba Inu you could use, like so many different things. Lightchain. But let's just say ETH. So you fund your wallet with ETH. Now you can fund your wallet with ETH from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links down there in the description box, and you could download a Trust wallet or MetaMask wallet from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, get a Chrome extension on your PC. You'd fund your wallet with ETH, you'd go in, you'd click connect wallets, then you would punch in how much ETH you want to spend. It'll tell you how much SVM tokens, which is the ticker symbol for SolanaVM. It'll tell you how many SVM tokens you get for that amount. Click purchase. When the pre-sale is over, you would claim your tokens. So I mean, it ends very soon. It does have a how to buy section in case you didn't understand what I said, and you can follow step by step on their webpage. They also have a referral system on there and a staking system, and you can get involved with that. So SolanaVM is a fully compatible Ethereum environment built on the Solana blockchain. This platform empowers developers to deploy Ethereum dApps seamlessly without the need for significant reconfiguration. SolanaVM enables dApps built with Solidity and Viper to leverage Solana's network advantages, low fees, high transaction speeds, and the capability of parallel transaction execution. For developers, this translates to the ability to create Solana-compatible contracts using familiar tools from the Ethereum ecosystem. Developers using SolanaVM maintain access to familiar programming languages such as Solidity and Viper, well-known Ethereum development tools, compatibility with the Ethereum RPC API, Ethereum account and signature systems, and token standards like ERC20 and ERC721. Extremely low gas fees, approximately 1 penny per transaction. High transaction speed of up to 5,000 transactions per second. Integration with the rapidly expanding Solana ecosystem without the need for additional validators. So you can explore SolanaVM. It says connect to SolanaVM RPC coming soon. You can deploy dApps coming soon and connect MetaMask to SolanaVM coming soon as well. Now there's a quick start guide as well if you want to check out how to do that. Blockchain technology presents unparalleled decentralized asset preservation, immutable ledgers, and transparent permissionless systems. Within the Layer 1 blockchain ecosystem, two prominent contenders have emerged, Ethereum and Solana. While Ethereum has solidified its position as the premier protocol for executing smart contracts, it faces notable technical limitations, particularly in terms of transactions per second and time to finality. Additionally, transaction fees on Ethereum are relatively high, so Solana, on the other hand, is engineered to support rapid, cost-effective transactions, and that makes Solana the ideal choice for high throughput, low value transactions while ensuring transparent and immutability. So it says SolanaVM not only bridges the gap between Ethereum and Solana based on preliminary benchmarks, it emerges as the fastest EVM available. Moreover, SolanaVM surpasses existing Ethereum L2 scaling solutions in terms of both speed and cost efficiency. So the tokenomics on here, it says 15% of the tokens go to the initial coin offering, the ICO, which is basically means pre-sale. 15% goes to central exchange and decentralized exchange liquidity. 15% of the tokens go to the team. 10% go to community incentives. 15% to marketing, 30% treasury, and ecosystem growth. Now, they do have vesting and cliffs for all these different allocations that you could check out as well. And they do have a roadmap as well, starting with identifying needs and opinions, proof of concept, team and business strategy, technical projections, and then pre-sale. So that's where we're at right now of the SVM token. Then implementation of staking, conduct an audit by an independent organization, key dApps testing, access for the early adopters, SolanaVM grant program, SolanaVM incubator, realization of own products within the ecosystem SolanaVM, product V2, and ecosystem growth. So go check this token out. You can find it right there on the Twitter in the corner of the screen. All the links are on there. You can also find it on coinsniper.net, as I mentioned earlier in the pre-sale section. And yeah, let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.